Hello, welcome to this video where we're doing some more LeetCode. So in yesterday's video we finished off at, we finished the linked list section and now we're moving on to stacks. So I'm going to mute my mic and watch the video. Okay, so the problem we're looking at now is 155 min stack. So a stack is basically just, it says here push, pop, top, and get min. Okay, so 155. 155 min stack. Okay. So I didn't upload a video yesterday, but I did solve one of the problems. I can't remember which one it was. I think it was an easy one then. Okay, so self.r. Okay, so initializing the stack object. So here I'm just going to do self.r.append val, and then self.r equals self.r to then self.r minus 1. I think that's right. And then top this just be return self dot r at -1. -1 is the last element. Then here we return min self. I may be getting the Python syntax all wrong here, but accepted. Okay. Oh, let's go. Okay, so that was super easy. How was that medium? I don't know. Okay, so 155 it was. We'll add this to my GitHub. I try to keep my GitHub up to date with all my solved ones. Well, it obviously doesn't have all of them, but there's quite a few of them. As a mix and match between C++ and Python. Okay, I'm just going to watch the solution now. He's just read out that it needs to be what was it? 0.1 time complexity for each function. Okay, so self.lowest equals -1. Okay, if we push here, we can do if val is less than r at lowest. Wait, let me just check. So if lowest is not equal to -1, if val is less than self dot lowest. No, self dot r at lowest. Then we're going to return. No, sorry, we're not going to return. Lowest equals then r. That's 1. Else we'll do lowest 0, because that, if it is equal to -1. Okay, let me just check this. So if val is less than self at lowest, okay, yeah, then that will be. And here, can we just return lowest? Wait, what am I doing? Is it, yeah, asking for the value. So it'd be r at the lowest. Self dot so actually, yeah, never mind. I was going to say that we could just store the value, but I think with bigger data types it would just be much more efficient to solve the global r is not defined. Where's r? Return r at lowest. Oh god. Right. Is this it? List index out of range. Okay, I'm just going to keep track of self.lowest. Is less than lowest. Self dot oh no, why did I do that? It was val okay. Wrong answer. Oh no. Means that how have I got -2? I got append. Let's see how it we didn't change anything else, did we? Okay, oh, so it's get minus. What is wrong? -2. If that was less than. Oh, I see. Okay, and then okay, so that's why. So when popping, Okay. Right, so we need to do... That's why it was a medium one. Because we can push fires and then... Okay. That's why it's wrong. Of 1. Okay, I'm going to go through the solution. So I'm going to mute my mic. Okay, so I've just gone through the solution, and yeah, it's really neat. So I'll code it up here. So, okay, what we'll do here is, well, we're going to pen the val, and we're also going to append the minimum. So self.minimum. Wait, so min. Okay, so we won't actually even need this. So we can do if self.r. Well, so if there is values in it, we can do minimum equals, what's the Python? Min. Okay, so min val and minimum. I think that's right. Oh wait. Oh, okay. So here it's self.r -1 at 1 because here we store, basically we have an array, we have our values, and with each value we have the smallest value with it. So else minimum equals val. I think that's it. Yeah, okay, did that right. And then pop, it's just yeah, okay, that's all the same. But then just for the top, it's at 0 self.r at -1 at 1. Okay, let me just run this and see if it works. Yeah, and this is a much neater solution. And it actually satisfies our conditions. So I'm going to replace this with this, because this is actually not the right solution. 155.pi. Okay, I'm just going to have to .pi. Okay, so on to the next one. So that was a really good solution because it accounts for the popping. So the original solution, that was O of n. Then the next solution, it was constant time, O of 1, but it didn't get the right solution because it didn't account for the pop. And the last solution, the one from the video, it did account for all of those things. So yeah. Okay, so the next one is valid parenthesis. I'm going to try and get this one first because it's an easy problem, so can't solve an easy problem, I mean. I think this one's pretty easy. Okay, I've attempted this one. So we can do while s.find or s.find this. Wait, what? Why can't we do this? Oh, how do we do? How to use in Python without this is also quite a vexing pass. But this doesn't work. Okay, let me ask Copilot a minute. Oh, well, first of all, I'm going to do it without using stacks, but... Oh. Okay, so... Oh, let me just... print... Okay, I'm just going to go... What is this now? S dot replace with this dot replace this with this. If s dot with len s greater than 0, return false. Else true. Okay, s dot find. We're just gonna have to see about this. Okay, this might run forever because it's what? Okay, so with this, I'm just trying to debug it in my head. So while s.find, okay, so this will go in it. We'd replace that with that. Okay, then we go back up and we can't find anything else. Okay, well, s.find. Python string find function. Why do I always spell function? Right. What does it return? Get our own Python stuff. What? Okay, and then what if we did text.find maybe -1? Okay. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is, if we go here, we'd find that and we'd remove it, and then on the next iteration, we'd find these parentheses and remove it. I just don't get why it's not doing it. Maybe I'm string replace function. Let me just have a plain gobble. Stir equals the world. Print st dot replace. Oh, maybe we got to assign it. Oh. Boom, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna we submit this. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Okay, so that's a really simple solution. Just a disclaimer, I think I saw this on a video of somebody's. They're just going through it, but it's a nice solution. Next, let's go on to the stack solution. I'm gonna add this. What number is it? Might already have one for 20, I don't know. Okay, so this would be probably This is not too slow, I don't think. Analyze complexity. Yeah, let's have a look. N squared. C. Okay. So now let's try using a stack. Okay, 24. Stack Python DS data structure. Is it just called stack? Surely Python has an inbuilt one. There's an inbuilt dummy turtle library. So, guess what stack is. Oh, we've got something from ourselves. We don't have a built-in. Okay, it's fine. So R equals okay, so we go for I in S. I'm gonna do I in range S. Range len S. Okay, so I can do if so how are we gonna do this? Let me just go to my trusty online whiteboard. Online web whiteboard, I think it was called. Web whiteboard. Right. Why's W3 School still living? Okay, so I'm thinking we have a stack. We have our. Okay, it'll be clear once I got the whiteboard up. Okay, let me just do it in hashtag first. So if we had this, could we start it here? We add it to the stack, pop, and then pop. So then what if we had here, like this, an invalid one? So here we add. So here we could do if r at -1 is equal to val. Okay, I've got a general gist of it. Okay, here we go. Mirror. Thing is, surely. Yeah. Mirror Monopoly. Right, come on, load. Here we go. Okay, so say we had. Okay, let me just log in real quick. No. Okay, I'm just gonna hide my screen. Oh. Okay, it's just reloading again. It's fine. I'll just. How long? Yeah. Okay, half an hour. So we solved it basically using the brute force approach. Urban squared. So let's see if we can. So I delete this. And I'll get text. And I'll enlarge this. Right, okay. So say we had this. I'm going to create a new text box as well here. Stack. Okay, anyway, so here our stack would be this, and then so here we need to check if it's a opening, and then here we need to check. Right, let me just code this up. It'll be much simpler. Opening. Closing equals. Here we can do if s at I in opening okay. If that's in opening, then we're going to append it, r dot append s at I. If s at I is in closing, then we're going to do if r at -1 is equal to. Okay, I'm going to do this the same so that. Oops, no. Is equal to closing dot index s at I opening closing dot index s at I. So if that's the case, then we could just do r dot pop. Else we can return false. Okay, let me see if this works. I'm feeling it might. Ooh, so it does. Oh no. Okay, right. It's past 6 out of 10. Not great. Okay, so if we just have singular, then return len are equal to, no, so we return true if r.index. I'm just trying to, well, I'll tell you my intent here. So I want to find the position of I in the closing string. Then I want to match that same to the opening. To index. The index cherry. Yeah, so the thing is, I don't see how it will go out of bounds. List index out of range. Closing dot index. They're the same length, so S at I maybe. What if I do this? I think it will work. Yeah, okay, so okay, let me just go through it. So for I range then S, so if S at I is an opening, well it's not. Okay, so we can check if not R, return false. Okay, yeah, so that was it. Yeah, so this is the heap one. I'm just going to also copy this and put. I think it's still overrun though. Analyze complexity. Oh no. Okay, what number is this? 20. 20. .pi. Here we go. Then let's go. Okay, so I do quite like this solution. And it's good that I got it for myself. Right. Now I'm going to watch the solution video and see how similar we got them. Okay, so his solution differs a bit from mine. So first of all, he uses a hash map, and overall his code is just cleaner. So I'll wait. Actually, no. I'll write it down here. So valid 20. So we start off with a stack, like we did with mine, and we have a hash map. So call this hash map. Well, it's actually a dictionary in Python, but so the like closing ones in my one are corresponding to the opening, and then we have the like closing square bracket is to the opening square bracket, and then the parenthesis closing parenthesis is equal to the opening parenthesis. So here we go for I in S. We're checking if stack, so if it has any values in, and I in hash map. So we don't want to do it if it's an opening one. So this is just for the keys. And stack at -1 is equal to hash map at I. So that would just be the opposite. So stack dot pop else stack dot append. We're just gonna append I, right? Yeah. But then at the end we're gonna return not stack. So here I did return len greater than 0. Yeah. Wait, why did I do this? What the? So return true. What? Okay, just return this. Yep, sorry, I don't know why I did that. Anyway. Return not stack. Okay, so that's our solution here. Using a stack. I don't know if you ever see this, but basically you have a hash map and it's a much simpler version of mine. So here we don't have to go checking the index and if it's in opening or closing. Right here. On to the next one. Okay, so the next problem looks to be pretty tricky. So 150. Leetcode. Oh, this is one of the ones where you can't just input the name. So evaluate, reverse. Polish notation. So it's definitely a good one for the stat. These all have like a lot of views. Right, so we're obviously going to use a stack. I mean, there's no doubt about that because we're in the stack section. But so we're going to append. So R equals there. Then for I in tokens, if R in operators plus minus divide times so if it's in operators then we're going to do something else it's integer. So here we're probably just going to simply add it to the array, right? We're going to append I. Here it's an operator. So we need to evaluate the last two expressions. Ooh. Yeah, so wait, no, what am I doing? If I in so if it's an operator, then we're going to do A equals R dot pop, B equals R dot pop. So we're going to do res equals. Oh, okay. How are we going to do this? Should we just have a helper function or? Okay, I'm just going to do res equals -1 if I is equal to plus res equals a plus b lf I is equal to times res equals a times b lf I is equal to divide res equals a divided by b lf I is equal to minus res equals a minus b. Okay, so once we've got result, the question is what we do with it. Would it be... would we just append that? Then we're going to return... This may not be right, but I think it's not a bad start, I think. What? Can't one suppose it was by non-int? Unicode. What? Cannot multiply. So are we somehow getting... I is in operators, okay, let me just do the verbose way. Is equal to times, or I is equal to divide, or I is equal to plus, or I equal to minus. Cannot multiply. I don't get how we're getting Unicode in the things though. Test case. So here we would do pop. Oh, needs to be from the front. I see. Oh. So point from the front, 2 and 1 is plus. Okay, 2 plus 1, we have 3. And then we do or could we just do while lem tokens -1. Okay, scrap that. I'm just thinking though, Okay, so we'd just append this, and then we'd pop these 2 off and we'd add them, so this would be 3. Yeah, so this is the problem, see? So we get here, we'll have 3. Surely it needs to be a while loop, but it's just a problem with the changing of the size of the stack. So let me just go through it again. So here we'd pop these 2 off and we'd add them together, so we get 3, and we'd place it here. But yeah, so A plus B. Okay, so it shouldn't be append. Yeah, okay, that's the problem here. So we shouldn't be appending res, we should do it at the start. So R equals res plus that's what? So adding res at the start of the array. So we get to 3, okay. Let me just print array. What? What? Okay, I'm just going to get this in Gobble. Gobble is very trustworthy. Solution 3 by now. Solve 3 equals. Okay, so it is 1, 2 plus 3 times. I'm just going to do that. Right, so let me print R. I'm just going to do it like that so I can actually read the output. Okay, so we get... What? I do not get this. For iron tokens... Okay, so we get to the plus, right? So if I is equal to res okay, so array dot pop method Python. Okay, what time am I on? Okay, I might need to stop the video soon. Remove fruit. Okay, yeah, so that's still right. So we got 1, 2, but surely by the end of this we should have removed these 2. Why isn't it actually removing? So what if we did 0 and still nothing? Okay, I'll come back to this tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.